All right, Inktober again. Trying to remember what I'm doing. I'm getting confused between Tangle Patterns and Inktober's, but this is Inktober, day 10, jump. I looked up, see if there was any patterns with the name of jump in them. I found this one called Jumping Beans, which, oops, this page does not support Zoom. Of course it doesn't. Okay, so Jumping Beans is some like bean-like shapes with these dots at the bottom and little wiggly line thingies. So that one was kind of interesting. I thought maybe I'd try some of that, and I might use that and this other one. I found this other one too. Excuse me, I have to get out of here. Oops, why is it doing that? Here. This one was called Bounce, which is like jump, right? Jump, bounce. So I thought I'd try some of each of these and see what happens. Bounce looks like, I'm gonna try bounce first. You do a bunch of spirally bits, kind of in a row. Might be a little hard to see. My coloring really went through. I always use these pages twice. I use the back sides, and this is yesterday's. But that Sharpie pen that I was using to fill in, you can really see through. So, sorry about that. Okay, and then you do smaller ones here. Not done this one before. And then you do that doesn't make sense. Oh, okay. And then you do this. This one is Bounce by Judy Murphy. And then you do dots. And then inside those dots, looks like I should do that. Inside those dots, you do dots again. That doesn't seem right. Something just doesn't look quite right. But I'm not sure what it is that doesn't look quite right. Looks like here and here. I'm not sure I did this right. These dots needed to be up higher. I don't know. Close enough. Doesn't really make that much difference. That's bounce. Seems I don't know. I'm just gonna bounce around with it. What the heck, right? And then I'm gonna add some jumping beans in here. Because why not? Go back to the jumping bean page. Let's see, where'd that go? Well, that's not bean shaped. What the heck? Why do I keep doing this little funky dude thing? Don't really know why I keep doing that. All my beans down here all go in the same direction. Not sure that was the plan, but I don't really have a plan. So they could all go the same way, whatever. Good enough. And then it says, I'm reading the actual blog it came from. It says, this first pattern is direct from childhood memory of a small ball bearing in a capsule simulating a Mexican jumping bean. One rule with this, make sure the ball is consistently placed by gravity. I have to pick a downward. I guess this is down. I guess this is the bottom. So inside each of these is a bean. That is all going the same way, gravity-wise. Okay, that makes sense. About that one. Okay. And then you do these little 1, 2, 3, like that, to make them like they're jumping. I think I should have just done this whole page like this. That would have been more fun, but it's all right. Every so often, I try something new. My little beans are jumping. Well, those were fun. I like the little jumping beans. Those were fun. Absolutely. This thing in the middle, not as much fun, but that's okay. Okay, so this was what? This was Inktober. Number 10. Jump with jumping beans and bounce. There we go. Jumping beans and bounce in Inktober number 10. That's just a little disjointed, but that's okay. It wasn't meant to be a Zentangle tile, so that's okay. See you guys tomorrow. Number 11. What's number 11? Transport. I may have to think about that one.